Well, after 10 years and thousands of wells of providing multiple friction tools combined with a conventional directional package, we found our conversations with clients getting more and more difficult. They would be talking about extended reach solutions, maybe potentially replacing RSS. And we would be on the other side of the table talking about 1 friction tool, 2, 3 friction tools, how we run them, plus with the motor and a directional package. Became clumsy. So we decided what we need to do is name the system so that we have something that customers can get a hold of. And the name we have come up with is TRIVIk. It comes from 2 things. Trivi is a Greek word meaning friction, and the less than sign. Combine them together, we get less friction. TRIVIk starts in the office. Clients send us their directional package. We inject that into our torque and drag modeling software, and we start to come out with placements of the tools where they will live in the drill string. Our goal is to get vibration distribution across the entire string as they're drilling. That way, the amount of friction they're seeing as they start the lateral, while it's never going to be equal when they're done the lateral, it's minimized the entire way. Why is the hex motor part of the TRIVIk system? Any conventional directional package can be used with our multiple friction reduction tools and still be considered TRIVIk. But there are certain wells that are more difficult to drill, and there are certain clients that are very, very hyper-focused on drilling their laterals in 1 run. The hex motor is one of the most robust motors in the industry, and it's also built for longevity. We wanted to combine handling some of the largest power sections that were being made today, but also being able to get 180, 190 hours out of that motor before you had to think about bringing it out of the hole. And in that time frame, it seems for most of our clients, they can get that extended reach done. We find there's a couple places that clients use TRIVIk. First is if they have actually evolved with the technology. The other space that clients use it is some clients graduated almost immediately from 1 friction tool and a conventional directional package to RSS. Now they're understanding that there's actually something in between. So before, the markets were kind of clearly defined as market segment A is 1 friction reduction tool and a directional package. Segment B is RSS. Over time and over evolution, the 2 markets have combined and we have a Venn diagram, and in the center lives TRIVIk. So we supply customers with 2 or 3 friction reduction tools, our hex motor, and it gives them a system that either can replace RSS or that they've just evolved with under the normal drilling conditions. What benefits does TRIVIk have over RSS? Less risk, less cost, lost in hole. Secondly, there are some wells that are programmed. They are extremely high build rate wells. Maybe there's areas on the pad they have to work around, and RSS will struggle to meet the build rates that they need. Primarily, what we find our clients tell us is it's just to mitigate risk of losing an RSS system in the hole. Does TRIVIk replace RSS? The answer is no. There are places and well profiles where yes, it can replace RSS. Today, a high percentage of the hex motor is actually utilized on RSS applications. So we are in the business of both RSS and TRIVIk. I think what our main focus is actually putting the right system in the right well for the client. Not is one better or the other. It's more, in my mind, is one more well matched than the other for the well profile.